Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in Target and I'm standing over here looking at most of the Wild and Fable clothing. I just want to see, I think they put out some of their stuff for fall and I just want to take a look. This sweater is $26. That's really cute. I like the sleeves on that. They even have this corduroy backpack. This is $25. I love that yellow color. And they put her with that little crushed velvet dress. I'll try to go find that. Here's some other sweaters right here. These are $15. And that comes in red, yellow. They're a little different. Those are red and yellow. And then these are open front like cardigans for $20. And these look like this. So you got the green one and you got the red one, or what color would you say that is? I call this Boston baked bean. You know the candy? That's the color that is to me, but it's like a burgundy. They have these leather jackets right here for $35. These cute little shirts right here. More with the crop tops. I like the color though, $14. And they also have that mustard yellow color. Skirts, $17. And they got a corduroy skirts that zip up in the front. That one is really cute. Let's see, that one is $20. And that one also comes in white. Okay, yeah, you can tell they're putting out their fall stuff because Pendleton's right now is too hot. $25, red, and in this color. Here's this camo, $25. It's actually really soft. You would think that it was kind of stiff, but it's soft. And look at this. That is a jumper. So it's shorts, has the drawstring waist, buttons up in the front, $28. I like that and I like the color, but look at this jacket too. That's kind of cute. And it's really long. It almost looks like a dress, but it's a jacket. It zips all the way down the front, has the pockets, the little drawstring neckline with a hood, and this is $32. And here's the little dresses that the mannequin was wearing. The crushed velvet for $20. Here's some more denim jackets right here, $32. They got the double pockets on both sides with the acid wash look to them. And then look at this dress, and it's completely see-through, but it does have like a little dress underneath, like a slip. It's $28. And it goes all the way down. That's definitely different. You got plaid pants, yellow and black, black and white, with this kind of fastener at the waist. These are $24. Little plain tops for $12. Cute little sweater. Look at that. I like that. That's $26. The arms are different though. They kind of have that bubble like right here. And then you got these right here with the, look like a paper bag at the top, $28. And then they're cuffed at the bottom. Wow, they have a jumper like that, like a one piece, and it is full cheetah. Look at this. And it's soft too. And it zips all the way down in the front. Look at that. Okay, let's see. That is, I think that's at $30. And that also comes in all green. And then this one is a little bit different. It doesn't have sleeves. That one does. And this one has the drawstring waist, and this is $35. Here's some cute screen prints. It says, well, graphic tees starting at $12.99. They got the camo with the MTV on it. Central Perk. I think that one looks like this, except for it has sleeves. I like that, like Central Park. Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills. You got all this stuff down here that is reference to Los Angeles. Welcome to the Good Life. That's $19.99. Lion King. Uh-oh, that one fell. I have to pick that up. All of these are falling. Goodness. This is also Lion King, but it's a crop top. Now I gotta pick these up. And then this one before I pick those up. Okay, now I'm gonna make my way over towards the plus size to see if they have anything. These are kind of cute. You got this wrap front dress that has the Button for closure, universal threads. 29 has the pocket. It's a little stiff though. The material is stiff, but it's cute. It has pockets with the tie in the front. That one, no sleeves. 29. This dress right here, it has the fastener in the front as well with the tie on the side for 29. And that also comes in that brown or this like blush color. Here's a dress over here, kind of like a body dress for 22. This one is like a shirt dress, or it could just be a shirt. It has the cuffed wrist by A New Day for 27. Look at this dress, that's pretty. It's pleated with the ruffles at the top, tie at the waist, and then it's real flowy at the bottom. And this is 32. And then this one right here, is these pants? Yeah, those are pants. Okay, and I got the long sleeves, the snap in the front, and the waist closure. Let me see, no pockets. Here's some trench coats for $44.99. I like that kind of weird color right there. It's in person, it looks kind of orangish peaches color, I don't know. But then they have the gray. Here's some pretty tops for $19.99. This one has like some polka dot design to it. Doesn't button all the way down the front, only halfway. That one has the crisscross, and then you got this one with no sleeves. Different lengths of cardigans. The long one is 27. This one on the end is 24, and these are 22. Oh, these are cute. Look at these, sleeveless with the little ruffled neck. 19. Then you got that one right there, the black with the flowers. This one is really pretty. It's kind of like a blue or bluish gray with the burgundy. And these are by A New Day for $19.99. And then you have that black and white one. Okay, I'm not big on flowers and prints and stuff, but I do. You guys see my basket back there? I do like this color and this print, even though I don't think I would wear it. And let's see, and it buttons down the whole front, so you can open up the whole front. This is $27.99 by A New Day, and it's really soft, and the wrists are cuffed, or you know, has the button on it. And this one, oh, look at that, I like that. This one is $27.99. And then you got these back here. Loving the sleeves like that, and it kind of looks like it's form-fitting. You can see it more in person. Oh, it has pockets. Any dress with pockets is like, basically that's what you must have. $24.99. But then look at this one. This is cute too. $27.99. And it has the fat belt in the front right there. $27.99. There's this shirt right here, pretty for fall. Price was torn off, $19.99. And those trousers, $19.99 for this. I'm seeing a lot of animal print like everywhere, but that one feels like silk or satin. You got some cute Knox rose, $27.99. This one kind of reminds me of Free People for $24.99. And it has the little tassels. Here's a few more with the Aztec print. I love denim. I love anything denim, so I really like this one. $27.99. You got this navy blue one with the pretty detail on the inside of the neck. I like that. This green one, and these pants, super soft cargo, really cute, and the cuffed ankle, love those. $29.99. Oh, this one has a lot going on. It's pretty. All the little details in the front. Let me see the back. Oh, look at that. It kind of has like that lace look up the back and the bottom. These are $29.99. And some more dresses right here. This one is really nice too. All the pleats at the bottom. This one is $34.99. That one, the green one, is $29.99. And then here's a plus size kind of like leather jacket over here for $44.99 by Ava and Viv. Look at that, it has two different materials on the sleeve. This is actually really nice. $44.99, has the pockets. Okay, I like that. And then this sweater right here for $22.99. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be it for the clothing section. I kind of just wanted to look and see if there was anything that I wanted to pick up as far as shirts, but I didn't really see anything. Lots of cute stuff, but nothing really stood out for me to want to grab it. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon in another video. I'll probably go to a different part of the store. Okay, bye you guys. Oh, look at this skirt, $22.99.